Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and for my returning subscribers, welcome back. I hope you are doing well, and if you're not, all shall be well. Yes, so come with me today in Kenol, where we look at some Airbnbs made of wood. They're studio apartments, but they're made of wood. Then let me tell you, these houses are just amazing. Yes, if you're looking for a place you want to relax just outside the busy noises, the busy towns, this is just the place to visit. As you can see, the location is really nice, sort of like a village like, so it's very quiet. You will have your time. So if you need somewhere you want to just unwind a long weekend, if you want to come here with your family, maybe your spouse, a group of friends, this is the place to be. You will find their number in the beginning of the video and at the end of the video. Give them a call and tell me how you find it. But the space is really cute. They have really made this place look amazing. Yes, so as you can see from the video, the place looks really good and a place where you get to relax from the busy schedules. Another thing, just before I forget, if you book the whole space, the rooms are 10 in total. So if you book all the 10 rooms, maybe you have a group of friends, you can come and choma kanyama hapo katikati. You can do a bonfire over there, if you book the whole place. And remember, there are 10 rooms, one room going for 2,300 per night. Checkout is 12 p.m. And they're a bit strict with the time. So if you book the whole place, you can come with your friends and choma kanyama or do a bonfire. So check out the space and please remember to subscribe. Please subscribe, like, and share my video. Thank you, and visit them.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same thing.